After getting a new iPhone, you need to make sure all your data makes the transition successfully. Even if your new phone is already set up, there are things you can do to migrate your data without resetting it again. The key is using the right settings and apps to find the missing pieces. The easiest way to get started is by using an app from SetApp called AnyTrans for iOS. This app provides several options for migrating your iPhone data without factory resetting, overwriting existing files, or manually converting files to the latest iOS formats. You can use the app on your phone or plug it into your Mac, if that's easier. From the left pane, find Backup and Migrate and click or tap Phone Switcher. This is where you can migrate data between iPhones by clicking Migrate Now, or focus on apps and app data by clicking Transfer Now. While your phone is plugged in, click on Backup Manager to create or restore a content backup for your device in case something happens later. You can also transfer data to a new iPhone by restoring a backup from iCloud or from Finder. For iCloud backups, go to Settings on your iPhone, tap your name, then iCloud Backup. Make sure your Backup this iPhone is turned on, and backups will start being made daily. You can also tap Backup Now to make a manual backup. Note that the new phone must be erased before downloading a backup from iCloud. From Settings, tap General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase all content in Settings. Tap Continue to confirm. Once the phone is reset to default, you should see the Hello screen. Tap Set up manually and then Restore from iCloud Backup, and follow the instructions to bring your old iPhone's apps and data to your new phone. That about covers it. Stay tuned for more guides on the latest macOS and iOS. Don't forget to use SetApp for all your file management needs, with apps like AnyTrans for iOS and dozens more. And remember to comment and subscribe to make sure you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.